Hi, John with Diode. Today we'll be installing our C1R HitchMount Kit for the 2021 and up Ford F-150. To start, we'll grab an 8mm socket to remove the two bolts holding on the taillight on both sides. Then, we need to pick out the included taillight signal harness that matches your factory connector and plug one end in line to the vehicle harness and route the rest of the wiring down under the vehicle alongside the factory harness. Now we can reinstall our first taillight and move underneath the vehicle, routing the other end of our harness across the back of the bumper and up to our passenger side taillight. It's important to note, if you prefer to disable the safety strobe feature, simply cut the purple wire looped on the new 7-pin harness. Moving back underneath the vehicle, we can disconnect the factory 7-pin trailer harness from the back of the bumper and remove the cap off the amp connector from the taillight signal harness routed previously. Then we can plug in the amp connector to our new 7-pin harness, followed by plugging it in line with your factory trailer harness and routing the DT through the back of the hitch receiver. To wrap everything up, we can zip tie any loose wiring away from any hot or moving parts. Finally, we can remove the cap from our DT connector, plug it into the back of our C1R, and then slide our C1R into the receiver until it snaps in place. As you can see, with our C1R hitch mount installed, not only do you have a high-powered reverse light along with a red running light, but you also have a high-powered fourth brake light with an optional safety strobe feature. If you'd like to pick up a C1R hitch mount for your vehicle or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you'd like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products from Diode, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.